ये हम फेविकॉल ऐड कर रहे हैं पानी में in equal quantity. We have just added Fevicol in water, and now we will mix it using whatever is available at your place. Yes, so now it is almost mixed. So this is the piece of the wallpaper. Now we will start applying the mixture that we made, equal quantity of Fevicol and water, using a sponge. This is a sponge. It will help in spreading it very nicely. Yes. So in whole of the length and breadth, we'll be spreading this solution. So the application continues. It's almost done. We don't have to dry it, but we have to apply it really nicely, covering each and every inch of the paper. Otherwise it will start coming out and it will not give you the professional look which you are looking for. Here on this end, nothing should be left dry. This end, it's all dry. Very nice. Here, this is dry, the end. And here, so you can very well see, this is the wall. Actually this window was not there, we got it installed recently, so this whole portion of the wall became like this, and this much of the wallpaper was taken out. So this is the wallpaper which we have prepared, and now we'll be placing it on the wall. So now we have started applying the wallpaper in an orderly fashion. We have to take care that it comes out really nicely without any air bubbles, and for that we'll take another sponge and we'll be rubbing it over. So using this cotton cloth, we'll be pressing it all over the wall, so that it comes out really nicely, smoothly, and there are no air bubbles left. You can see the finishing. See, you can see the finishing. We are doing it, we are rubbing it. It will come out nicely once it will be dry. But overall, you can see how good it has started looking. So you can very well see the ends were actually coming out because there was already some amount of wallpaper on the wall. This portion was totally plain, so this has stick on so beautifully. So for the ends we are applying another layer of just plain Fevicol without any water mixed, and then we'll be sticking it on, pressing it with a cotton cloth or a sponge if you have. That will give a perfect smooth finish. See, now you cannot differentiate where was the old wallpaper and from where the new one started. It will take time to dry and then it will be perfectly smooth. So this is the lower end. There is some plaster over there, so it is appearing a bit bulged out. Otherwise, in whole of the length, you can see there is no problem. So we completed one side. Now we'll be completing the other side, and then I'll get back to you. So we are taking the next measurement, because using an inch tape will give you just accurate finish. Okay. So this much is the breadth and that was the length. And using these measurements, we'll be cutting our rest of the wallpaper. So we are marking it on the wallpaper, the exact dimensions. And then we'll cut it over. Nice, smooth and perfect. So now we are placing the wallpaper on the remaining portion of the wall. As you can see, we just have to take care of the dimensions, then only the finishing will be there and it will appear neat. Yes, very nice. Then we'll take the cotton cloth and rub it over. You can even take a sponge if you have, and if you don't have, then you can go with any cotton cloth. So dear friends, this is the final outcome. Hopefully you can see it's looking good, much better than before. Thanks for watching.